Green tea, the power of a simple beverage. In today's video, we're diving into the world of green tea. Green tea is more than just a drink. It's a centuries-old remedy that provides a myriad of health benefits. Let's explore all the details that make this tea special. Who should drink green tea? Green tea is ideal for anyone looking to boost their overall health and wellness. Whether you're aiming to improve digestion, boost metabolism, enhance brain function, or simply enjoy a relaxing natural beverage, green tea is a fantastic choice. Its antioxidant-rich profile appeals to people of all ages who want to improve their daily well-being. It's particularly helpful for fitness enthusiasts, those on a weight loss journey, people looking for a natural source of energy, and individuals managing stress or anxiety. Like this content? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Kalp, for more amazing health tips and tricks. What is green tea? Green tea is a type of tea that is made from the Camellia sinensis plant. Unlike black or oolong tea, green tea is less processed, which allows it to retain more natural antioxidants and polyphenols. These compounds contribute to its reputation as a health-boosting drink. Green tea contains important nutrients such as catechins, powerful antioxidants that help protect cells from damage, caffeine, a natural stimulant to improve focus and alertness, though at lower levels compared to coffee, and L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation without causing drowsiness. With its mild caffeine content and rich array of antioxidants, green tea has a unique ability to energize and relax you at the same time, making it a versatile beverage for various situations. When should you drink green tea? Green tea can be consumed at various times throughout the day, depending on your goals. In the morning, it's a great alternative to coffee, providing a gentle energy boost without the jittery feeling. Its antioxidants can help kickstart your metabolism for the day. After meals, drinking green tea can aid in digestion, especially if you're having a heavy or fatty meal. In the afternoon, a cup of green tea can serve as a natural pick-me-up during that midday slump. Before exercise, the caffeine and catechins in green tea can enhance your fat-burning ability, making it a popular choice before a workout. However, it's best to avoid drinking green tea late in the evening, as the caffeine content, while low, might interfere with your sleep. Where does green tea come from? Well, green tea originates primarily from China and Japan, where it has been consumed for thousands of years. Each region has its own traditional methods of growing, harvesting, and processing the tea, leading to distinct flavors and qualities. For instance, Chinese green tea is known for its slightly toasted, grassy flavor. Chinese green tea varieties like Longjing, also known as Dragonwell, are highly regarded. On the other hand, Japanese green tea is famous for its fresh, vegetal taste. Japanese green tea, such as sencha and matcha, are popular for their vibrant green color and health properties. Today, green tea is enjoyed worldwide and can be found in grocery stores, specialty tea shops, and even cafes. Why is green tea beneficial for health? Green tea is celebrated for its numerous health benefits, which are supported by scientific studies. Some of the key reasons to include green tea in your diet include: first, it's rich in antioxidants. The catechins in green tea combat free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Second, it boosts metabolism. Drinking green tea can help increase fat oxidation, making it a great drink for weight management. Third, it improves brain function. Thanks to the caffeine and L-theanine combo, green tea enhances brain function, improving focus, memory, and mood. Fourth, it reduces stress. L-theanine in green tea has calming effects that can help reduce stress and anxiety. Fifth, it supports heart health. Regular consumption of green tea can improve cholesterol levels and lower blood pressure, promoting a healthier heart. And finally, it improves oral health. The catechins in green tea have antimicrobial properties that can help prevent bad breath and improve oral hygiene. How should you prepare and drink green tea? Making the perfect cup of green tea requires attention to detail. Here's how to do it. Step-by-step preparation. First, boil water. Heat water to around 75 to 85 degrees Celsius, or 170 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid boiling water, as it can make the tea taste bitter. Next, measure the tea. Use about 1 teaspoon of loose green tea leaves or 1 tea bag per cup. Then, steep the tea. Pour the hot water over the tea leaves and let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, strain. If using loose leaves, strain them out before drinking. Finally, enjoy. You can drink it plain or add a touch of honey or lemon for added flavor. Some pro tips. Avoid steeping green tea for too long, as this can make the flavor bitter. Drink green tea without sugar or milk to maximize its health benefits. For a stronger flavor, use more tea leaves rather than increasing the steeping time. If you're finding this content helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kalp, for more insightful videos on health and wellness. By incorporating green tea into your daily routine, you're making a simple yet impactful choice for your long-term health. Whether it's boosting your metabolism, improving brain function, or simply providing a moment of relaxation, green tea has something to offer everyone. Thank you for watching. Keep sipping on green tea and stay healthy. See you in the next video.